Hello beautiful people. In this beginner friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Bonfire print on demand platform. With Bonfire, you will be able to quickly get started selling your custom designed t-shirts. But before getting started, I want you to check out their t-shirt pricing calculator. So for instance, if you were to sell 50 shirts at $25 per shirt with one color print on the front, you can see right there that you'll be able to make $328. So you can get an estimate of how much you'll be able to make by using this slider right here. And to access it, all you'll need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you're on bonfire.com, then from there you could tap on pricing calculator. Now to get started, all you'll need to do is tap on get started in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And on this page, we are going to tap on sell online. But if you would like to start a fundraiser, you could do that. After tapping on sell online, you can see start a campaign to sell limited edition, or you can create a store. For this tutorial, we'll be creating a store. Then you're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you can choose to sign in using your Google account or your Facebook account. Or you can simply enter your first and last name, then you'll enter your email address and create a password. So let me do that real quick, then we'll continue the tutorial. You will be redirected to this page and you'll see what are you using Bonfire for. So you have three options: for personal use, for a business or an organization, as a content creator. I will select as a content creator. Then you're going to scroll down. What's the best way to describe your content? So I'll select right here, education. Then scroll down. What's your social media handle or business name? So you can enter that information right there. Then you'll tap on continue. So let me do that real quick. So I'll type in simple answers. Then you can see, do you have 10,000 followers? I'll tap on yes. Then you'll scroll down. You are eligible to verify your account. Then tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can see right here, you must have at least 10,000 followers on the selected platform in order to be eligible. Then you can see, please select from the list. So I will select YouTube, then scroll down. Then you'll simply paste in your profile link right there. You can simply verify your account by simply pasting your profile link right there and selecting the platform. But for now, I will skip this. So I'll tap on skip for now. So I'll skip for now. So I'll tap right there. And this is the Bonfire dashboard, as you can see right here. So this is how it looks. Now all you'll need to do is simply scroll down. Then you'll tap on create my store. So let's do that real quick. Then you can add your store name. So I'll name my store Simple Answers. Then you're going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while your store is being created. Once your store has been created, you will be redirected to this page. And you can see choose your product layout. So whether you like it to be expanded or you like it to be compact, you can select which one of these you want. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting compact. Then you can tap on apply. After you have tapped on apply, this is how your store looks at the moment, as you can see right here. So you can choose to edit the header section by tapping on edit header. And from here, if you would like to add a background image, you could tap on choose a file to upload a background image. But if you would like to upload your logo, you could tap on upload logo in the bottom left hand corner right there. You can also add your social media links by tapping on add social media links. And you can create your first campaign by tapping on create a campaign. Once you have tapped on create a campaign, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you can pick the product that you would like to add your design to. So you can scroll down, You can see classic unisex tee, comfort colors right there, or if you like to add your design to a pullover, you can do that, or a sweatshirt, you can also do that. I will leave it as the premium tee right here, so I leave it as is. Once you have done that, so I will select that, and you can see it right there. Then you can add text if you want, so you can tap on add text, or if you would like to upload a design, you can do that by tapping on upload art. And a good platform that I would recommend to create a design for free is canva.com. With Canva, you can create beautiful designs to add on your t-shirt, hoodie, or sweatshirt by simply typing it in the search bar right here. You can see numerous recommendations. For example, if I were to type in t-shirts right here, so you can see even Christmas t-shirts, as this video is being done when it is close to the Christmas season, and you can see different designs that you can use right here. All you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you can select whichever one of these templates that you would like to use. So let's say for example this template, then I will tap on customize this template. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, you could add your own personal touches to the template by simply going over to the left-hand menu option. You could change the text or whatever you want. But for the sake of time, I won't do that, so I'll simply tap on share in the top right-hand corner. Then I'm going to download the design. Once the design has been downloaded, I'm going to go back into Bonfire, and I'm going to tap on upload art. Then I'm going to tap on choose a file. Then I'm going to choose the file that I had created earlier. So let's see right here. So I'm going to tap on upload. You can see right there, it has been added. So just give it a few seconds. You can see, so I'll tap on by uploading, then tap on upload right there. And you can see it right here, optimized. Then I'll scroll down, tap on continue. And you can see it has been added right there. And you can also add it to the back if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. And it will be saving your design, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you will be led to this dashboard. How would you like your orders to be sent out? In batches or on demand? I want mine to be sent out on demand. It all depends on you and your customer base. Set your selling price, so you can choose the price that you would like to sell your t-shirts at. So you can see normally it would cost $19 to build this t-shirt, and the estimated price that they recommend is $27.99. For that, you'll make $8 profit. If you were to go to $37.99 right there, if you were to sell it on hoodies, you can see the price right there. If the pricing is not in your liking, you can increase the price by simply tapping on the price to increase it. But I like these prices at the moment. So I'll tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to this page. And you can see make money or a fundraiser. So are you selling the product for a profit, or are you selling it for a fundraiser to accept donations? I'm selling it for a profit, so I'll tap on make money. And yes, I would also like to accept tips, so I'm going to toggle that on. Then after doing that, what's the best way to describe your campaign? So you can scroll down and you could select whichever one of these categories suits you. So I'll select holiday, then select Christmas right there, and I'm going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, from here you can add your title. So I'll simply type in Christmas teas. After you have done that, you can describe your design right there. And after doing that, you can scroll down and you can add the size table if you want. So you can add the different sizes if you want right there, available for buyer, as you can see right there. And this is how your page would look. So you can explain more about your design here. You can describe your campaign right here also. If you would like to upload a photo, you can upload a mock-up image. You can also embed videos if you want, as this will be the landing page that customers will view on your store. Once everything is to your liking, you'll simply tap on launch. Let me add a design example real quick. Let me do that right here. Christmas tees. Just for example state, and tap on launch. And you will tap right here. I agree, confirm, and launch. So let's do that real quick. Now your store has been launched, as you can see right there. And you can see that I've added my first design. All I'll need to do now is tap on save and publish for it to go live. And this is the link for your store that you'll be able to share. So all you will need to do is simply copy the link, and you can share it on whichever social media platform you want. And if there's anything else you'd like to change, you can tap on store settings in the top left hand corner. And from there, you can change the title of your store if you want. And you can also change your store URL if you want. Let's go back to our main dashboard. So we're going to tap on dashboard. But before doing that, let me save the store. So I'll tap on save right here. Then go back to the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can go over to the left hand menu option. And from there, you could tap on campaigns to view your campaigns. So you can see the t-shirt that we had created. You will be able to see how much has been sold and how much has been earned. You can also view your different stores by tapping on my store right there. Another thing that you can also do is by tapping on payouts. By tapping on payouts, you'll be able to see the amount of payouts that are available. But before receiving your payout, you'll need to verify your email address. Then you're going to connect your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can quickly create one. And that is how you'll be able to receive payments. If you'd like to create a promotional code or so on to share, you can tap on promotions from the left hand menu option, then tap on create a promotion. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use Bonfire print on demand platform.